Anaconda/conda, install a specific package version. I want to install the rope package in my current active environment using conda. Currently, the following rope versions are available. I would like to install the following one. I've tried all sorts of permutations of conda install which I'm not going to list here because none of them are correct. I am also not sure what the Pi35_0 is. I'm assuming this is the version of the Python against which the package was built. And I also don't know what defaults means.
There is no version 1.3.0 for rope. 1.3.0 refers to the package cached property. The highest available version of rope is 0.9.4. You can install different versions with conda install package equals version. But in this case there is only one version of rope, so you don't need that. The reason you see the cached property in this listing is because it contains the string rope, cached p rope erty. Pi35_0 means that you need Python version 3.5 for this specific version. If you only have Python 3.4 and the package is only for version 3.5, you cannot install it with conda. I am not quite sure on the defaults either. It should be an indication that this package is inside the default conda channel.
To install a specific package, e.g. for more complex expressions, the relation can be quoted.
If any of these characters, comma, vertical bar or comma are used, a single or double quotes must be used. Where option Y, yes, do not ask for confirmation. Here is a summary. Portion of the above information credit to Conda cheat sheet. Tested on Conda the 4th of July 2012.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.